Hi, this is Joseph with GoEngineer. Today I'd like to walk you through the vacuum calibration wizard on the J55 Stratasys 3D printer. You're only going to need to run this if the printer itself asks you to, or if one of the service technicians says you should run it. But that being said, there are times when you will need to run it, so I'm going to walk you through the process. This one is really very easy. The only thing really to keep in mind is not to walk away too soon. There is a couple of confirmations you need to do, but after you make sure the tray is clean, then you can let it finish by itself. To go for it, we go into Tools, Wizards, scroll down a little bit, and on the right is Vacuum Calibration. Once we hit Start, it's going to prep itself a little bit. We just need to wait for the confirmations that the tray is empty and clean, the door is closed. We hit Next, and now it's able to go through and finish everything itself. Check back on it in a few minutes just to make sure everything went okay, and then you can close out of it. I hope this helps whenever you do need to run this wizard. If you have any questions, please reach out to our technical support team here at GoEngineer. We love to help you. We want to make your printing experience the best it can be, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.